So, Sperry, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
The hole. Here.
It's not going in?
No, not too much.
You forgot to plug it in.
Huh? In Mexico, when we don't got power, we go back in.
Okay, I think we should just maybe lay it down. It's not gonna go in.
It's almost 2 inches down now.
You got 2 inches all the way down?
Yeah.
Big muscles though, right?
Better than nothing.
You got some good exercise.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna see if a jackhammer can save your life. It's not sticking up?
No. Let me do
Use one of those burros over there.
Okay.
That's good, right?
Okay.
Oh, you know what? You should tie it down around it and tie it to this end over here so it's not gonna fall down. Yeah, like that. Genius. Thank you very much. Ándale. So I'm sure we have some subscribers that are in the construction business and use these jackhammers, and I'm sure nobody likes them. Super heavy. How much did it weigh?
I don't know, like 100 pounds.
Yeah, it was like 100 pounds.
No, maybe
80?
between 70 and 80, yeah.
Yeah, super heavy. You have to carry it around, and it's not light. So we'll shoot it, see if you can hide right behind it, if it will save your life or not. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first round we're gonna go with is the 9mm full metal jacket, and we're using the Glock 19X. That's pretty ready. Got your ears?
I'm ready.
Did I even hit it?
Only once.
No.
Yeah.
Oh no, I hit it.
Oh yeah, 2 times.
I got it twice. One of them was a miss. My hands were a little shaky from moving this thing around because it was so heavy. That's my excuse. Because you know we work out a lot. So one went in right over here. It broke the outside layer and it stopped the 9mm, and one hit right over here. A little bit of a ding on the surface, but nothing crazy. Of course, it's kind of silly trying these handguns. This thing is super heavy, a lot of meat and a lot of steel on it. It's a 50 PMG round from last time. I wonder which round this is. Okay. All right, next it's gonna be the Desert Eagle 50AE, and we're using this Underwood ammo. Thanks to them for sending it. Jasper, you ready?
I'm ready.
Got your ears?
Yes.
Visual inspection. Did I hit it?
I don't think so.
See, Jasper, if you focus enough. Did I hit the handle?
I don't think so. No, nothing.
I hit something.
I wait for you here.
I cut the wire off. Oh man. Okay, enough playing around. This time for sure I'll hit it. That's funny. Don't laugh at me. Did I hit it?
You missed. And miss again. You know what? Let me shoot one.
Okay, you know what? You should.
Oh.
Put it here.
How many?
Give me, there's 2 rounds. I can't do it. My aim is not good today. You do it.
Okay, guys. Oh my God. Oh.
Hold on. Okay.
Ready, Freddy?
Ready.
Right in the center.
Yeah, right. Oh yeah, you hit it.
Bro, I told you. I got another
What's going
one.
on here? You hit it.
I know.
You got one more, might as well hit it.
Okay.
I'm gonna be so shocked if you hit it again.
In the same hole.
Yeah, right. Well, at least one of us got it.
I hit the same hole.
Oh, no, that's not it. Okay, so there's the entry. Did it come out from the back? You know what? Oh man. It tried to come out, but it didn't.
Yeah, it's there.
That's actually not bad. You know what? Seems like this is more solid here in the bottom than this top part. But still, I think you hit it where there was a lot of meat, a lot of steel. Okay, you know what? I have to redeem myself. So I'm gonna shoot the 500 Smith & Wesson, one-handed, first time. And I'm gonna get it, Just Betty. Enough of making fun of me. This is not fair. I have feelings. You got your ears?
Yeah.
Okay, now check this out, Just Betty.
Okay.
You think you can just make fun of me?
Handle.
I hit the handle?
Yeah, something fly. Oh, the cord again. Oh, look, the cord at the bottom. Oh no, handle. Here.
I hit the handle.
Yeah.
Okay,
No bad, no bad. Oh, I remember when you told me.
well, the handle is important too, okay? Just Betty, this time, we'll go center.
Now. Oh,
That's how
you
do it,
see the
Just Betty.
fly.
So, all
What?
those, to Just Betty, you can't keep making fun of me, okay? I'm a human, I got emotions, feelings. Stop trying to embarrass me on my own channel.
Oh,
Oh wow, look at the whole back of this. Wow. A lot of oil in there, or grease. Grease or grease? So went in, right over here. No, yeah, right there. Center. And took a chunk out. Went inside this wood. Oh, there's a piece of that jackhammer here. But no bullet. Okay, rifle rounds. The next round is gonna be out of this 458 SOCOM. Thanks to CMMG for sending this to us. I won't be able to put a direct link to their website, but I will leave their name. You guys can check them out, Google them, do whatever you gotta do. So the first round, it's gonna be the solid brass Extreme Penetrator. So went in right at the bottom. Did it come out?
no.
No, it didn't come out. Interesting. The 500 did a better job.
Oh, it's stuck in the middle.
It got stuck. It got stuck right over here. That is cool. Okay, here we go. So went in right in there. It did not come out. The bullet probably fell down in there somewhere. Next is gonna be the AR-15 5.56, and I'm gonna use these green tips. They got the steel core. 3 rounds. Just ready?
I'm ready.
Lock and load. Here we go.
Oh.
Clear. 3 shots. 1, 2, 3. Did they come out from the back?
Yes.
One of them did, 2 of them did. Only 2 of them came out. Okay, enough playing around. Let's bring the big boy out. Okay, we'll shoot a silver tip, second shot, and then we'll do a Ralphus round. Silver tip and a green tip. That's pretty ready?
Okay.
It might fall down after the
first one.
The first shot.
Try to shoot the yellow part.
I'm gonna go for the bottom yellow part. I bet there's more steel in there. Okay, so the green tip, we're gonna shoot the yellow area on the bottom. Okay, ready, Osprey?
Ready?
Fire in a hole.
Ooh-hoo-hoo-y.
There's one in here. Okay, clear. Went a little bit to the left. Looks like it curved off, but there's a lot of stuff going on inside. So we'll take that shot again. That's pretty good. Your ears?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, right in the center.
Clear. Okay, so I shot it here. But we don't see anything coming out from the back. That is unbelievable. The bullet got stuck right in it.
Yeah. Amazing.
Okay, 2 rounds in. Just ready. We're going for that chisel in the bottom.
Whoa!
I hit it.
Yeah.
Clear. I hit it. Went a little bit to the left. Went a little bit to the left, but nothing really happened. Are you zoomed in, Jasper?
Yeah.
Over here. So let's shoot it one more time. See if I can get it. I'm gonna aim a little bit over here, on the top. I'm not sure if I mentioned, we are using a Serbu BFG 50A from Serbu Firearms. The most accurate 50 caliber in the world. Okay, that's very ready.
I'm ready.
Fire in the hole. Clear. What happened? You think I hit it?
Yeah, for sure.
And it's not doing anything to it. It's hitting it and it's curving off to the left both times. That is some strong stuff. I would hope it is. They use this to dig into the ground and concrete and rocks and a bunch of other stuff. We should have used this to take out that one bullet inside that rock.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay, that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.
Hey, wait. You can hold this in for me. Let me try something. Come on, it's still working.
Yeah, it's still working. Okay, you keep doing that. I'll be back. Oh, he's a funny guy.